new updates. Congratulations for those of una when be say una just enter cheelee, or those of una when be say una want to just enter cheelee app, when be say una no get money to buy glass. Congratulations. Una know say with the first 10 free glass when cheelee go dash una, if una enter, na $10 na be that. Una know say with that $10 una go fit do wetin? Unlock una cheelee. Yes, una go fit unlock una cheelee. So now I want to teach una how una go take unlock una cheelee. But first of all, do this thing for me right now before I start. You see this place? Click on the plus button, follow me, drop your comment so that I go know say you dey follow me. I go know you. In case of any further explanation, I go answer you. Then try and like if wetin I dey do you like am, and try and make sure say you put this video on your favorite in case you no understand wetin I teach you, so that you go back again go view am. Then try and make sure say you share am to other people, so that other people like you when be say dem no know how and they go take get money, go still enter cheelee, they still dey make their money small small. Yes, na so at least Nigeria we know as e dey be. So if you find yourself into anything when you say you know say e dey real and original where they give money, no close mouth, tell your other brothers, tell your other sisters. Yes, I dey still dey talk am every day. Now I dey talk am. Internet is like a sea no dey fit cover, sea no dey get hold up. Internet is like hair no dey get hold up no dey for sky. So na be internet. So no hide anything at least. So this is what you do. That's your starting glass. Make sure say you follow up your starting glass. You use am to watch the video from the beginning to the end to earn the full $10 when be say cheelee dash you. So after you don earn that $10 when cheelee dash you, make sure say you do these things. Try and make sure say you invite 3 people to cheelee, and these 3 people wey you invite to cheelee, make sure say dem register on cheelee. Immediately these 3 people register on cheelee and start to dey participate on maybe sharing their video, posting their video, liking other people's video, doing other things. Start to dey use the platform just the way you dey use am, you will be able to unlock your cheelee. So after you don unlock your cheelee, if you want to use the money to buy glass so that you go continue to dey use, left for you. If you want to withdraw the money, take buy food for your house shop, you are free. So right now you can start making money on cheelee from 0 followers, 0 money. Congratulations. If you don't have enough money and you want to start making money on it, is there for you. You can go there and start making your money. I'm not doing this as an advert. I'm just doing it because I know that we Nigerians, a lot of Nigerians right now, we are financially stranded. So to help those of you that are financially stranded, yes, you can start making money gradually there to take care of your kids at home. So now I never register. Make una not just rush go download anyone, because if una go download clone cheelee app, they can't gbab owner. Make anybody not call me. If you want to register and you have not yet registered on cheelee app, drop your comment on the comment section so that I will send you the link. No go register on a clone app, then tomorrow come they cry for me say they don't gbab your money.